How to view and download Wells Fargo statements. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how, here in today's video we will be guiding you step by step. So for that, you may head over and open up your Wells Fargo application first, and once you open it up, you should be finding this kind of interface on your screen. Now what you may do is you may look out for the menu, which is located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you may just scroll down from the menu and head over the section of statements and documents. Find that option within your screen and tap on it. After you tap on it within statements and documents, you may go ahead and look out for this option of statements and documents and just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, again from here also, you may look out for your statements and disclosures. You may just go ahead and tap on that plus icon right beside it. And once you tap on it, it will show you expand all of the statements and documents that have been done within your bank account. So the deposit account statements are available up to 7 years. So you can look out for your statement that you're trying to download. There are PDF version available for all of the statement. You may just go ahead and click on it. After that, it should open up on a browser, or you can look out for download option within and head over and look out for the download. And that way you can download the statements and PDF from your Wells Fargo. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up this method, and therefore, if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.